Today we are in Animal Race. This is a game on Roblox where you race like an animal and you have to race like this. I'm a cat already because I played this game. I tried it out for a few minutes and yeah. And you have to click like that and you have to like beat all the animals and yeah. I got fourth. Oh no! I got second. Oh. I didn't even know that. Okay. So that's how you play the game, and let's go. Alright, so we already have 19k wins. Like how? Okay. We're gonna hatch this woodland egg. One. Let's go. Come on. Got rhino. Is that good? Is that good? Wait, I need to know. Let's click for a second. Wait, can you auto-click auto train? Yes, I bought it from Bulwarks. Okay, just kidding. Got 25 wins. Nothing basically. What is this? Where? Daily. There you go. We have orange bunny. Okay, we're gonna go to pets. We're gonna equip bass. We have equip bass, yes. Ooh, that orange bunny's so good, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, now can we beat the cheeky fox? Oh, that's not the thing. This is the right side. Can we beat the cheeky fox now? Come on. Yeah! Come on! Oh! No! He's the boss and I already beat him at the start of the video. I'm gonna be making more videos on this, but whoa, we got a fox mythical. We're now a fox. Yay! I wanna be a fox. Yay! Right now, what do we do with the fox? Can we go to the next row? No, race. Okay, fine. Let's race that. No. Come on. Yes. At the start, it doesn't look like I'll beat him, but then it was bad. Yes, sir. Right, now, can we go to the next one? That's not like this one. 15k wins. I have 24k wins. So let's go. No, I don't. No, I don't. What race? This portal. B. A. So now we're here. Right, we're in the next one. It's still auto grinding for me. Right, but anyway. Meerkat. What? I'm gonna equip that, but anyway. We have 9k wins. We can buy the ocean egg. Let's just buy this. And then let's go into our game. In-game. Thing. Fish. That is cool. But what's the right trigger? That's right. Defeat oyster. What? Okay, how do you race? here? Teleport back to farm. Clicks. Race. Where's race? Golden machine. What's that? Oh, race track. There we go. Race. Now what are the precious pig? Yeah, I'm the last. Precious pig. The sleepy sheep. The constant lamb. The lazy lamb, and the rapid oyster. Yeah. Can I auto race? Nope. Yeah, let's stop the race. What? Okay, that is too hard. How much is this? 1 million strength. Look how much strength I have! I have 14 million! How can I not beat them? Okay, we're gonna go to clicks. How many? Yes, yes. Now, gifts. Do I have anything good in my gift? Ready. That is cool, but not. Okay. Anyway, we're going to go hatch egg. We have only 2k. Oh no. We're gonna equip our thing, and now we are going to go into a race again. Here we go. Right, we're going to go. Oh. Okay, can we beat the first person, the precious pig? I think it is. Now click. Can we beat at least one of them? Please. Wait, we just bet the precious pig. Can we beat the sleepy sheep? Can we? Oh, we just bet the sleepy sheep. Can we beat the constant cow? Don't think that's gonna be possible. We'll get there in 36 seconds. Keep clicking. We don't lose. 30 seconds left. Can we make it? I actually don't even know. Sleepy sheep and precious pig are right behind me if I look. Oh no, can we make it 70 seconds? Yes, we made it. Now, We are fourth. I want to be third today. I want to be third this video. I want to be third. Right. Oh, but we're sheep now. Can I go back into the fox? How do I do that? Wow. I like fox way better than sheep, but I can't do that. Dang it. But anyways, we bet the sheep. And we bet the lamb. No, sheep. Yeah, we bet the sheep and the pig. Oh my god, what am I saying? Anyway, we can buy now this egg, the marriage egg. What? Right, come on, please. Can I be the pet when I get from it? Ooh, octopus. Pretty cool. Put that click, and now it's the octopus. Better than the orange bunny. Ooh, almost. Can I craft all? Nothing happens. Unequip all, and I'll equip best. Oh, there we go. Equip best. Look at how the sheep looks like, and look at the normal pets. How can it not be like that? Okay, anyways, we are going to go to season 1. Oh yeah, that's free. Rewards, quests. What's our quests? What? No. Yes, I'm doing that. Anyways, we have another free gift. Azure Bunny. How good is the Azure Bunny? If that what's it called? 29. It's not our best team, but it is good. So let's go race one more time. Let's go race. And click. Can we beat the constant cow? Now if we're not the lazy animal with a rapid oyster. But can we? It doesn't look like it. Nope. Wait. Oh, we got auto clicker. We got auto clicker on it, and we bet the constant cow. No, I'm a cow. I told you I'm beating. Wait, what? I'm losing sign. No. There we go. We are third. Let's go. Now, the way we are third. Oh no. The way we are third. Confirm. We are third. Now we are cow. Look at us. Okay, can we get new clicks though? Can we get new clicks? That is the question of today's video. Okay. Not yet. Can we spin a wheel? What is a wheel? Can we? Spin zero. What's a meerkat? 5. How much it cost? No, okay. Anyways, how much it wins? What's 666k? Okay, we're gonna have to say it's Christmas egg. It's not Christmas, but okay. We're gonna equip that. BX. Okay, and seal. Alright. Got a seal now. Pets and equip best. How good is it? Okay, it's my best team. Not bad. Not bad. Okay, anyways, guys, we're gonna do one last race and then we're gonna end the video. And might do more videos on this game. We have to do a whole series. I'll do a playlist for you guys so you know. And go. Wait, I can just do this. I can click like that. Okay. Go. We bet the constant cow. Can we? No, we can't. They're already at the finish line. Anyways. And I'll see you in my next video, guys. Subscribe to my channel. Lots of things on this video. Like the video and subscribe, and lots of things on the video. Comment the video and then everything. Boom. Now, I'll see you in my next video and bye. YouTube thinks select the next video. It's right there. I'm literally looking at it. It's right there. The cow is looking at it. Okay, bye.